The train coming right to left. It's really loud, far out. It's far out before Alicia Bridge. Did you hear that? They just had a glitch. It's fake, it's a speaker. Someone slipped and hit the switch and it turned down like 25%. Now it's shut down straight out from my house, straight out behind 24181 across the street. Which doesn't make sense. That's not consistent. I'm gonna wait for a second to see if they start it up. So this time they stopped it at an inconsistent spot straight out. And then it was coming in and it was like, and like instantly it didn't like have that effect, like they were faking the slowdown or anything. They like leaned on the switch and like moved the little button a tiny bit and it lost like 25% of the sound. Like it was an accident. It sounded really bad.